Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Maritza. Excuse the lighting, but I'm still trying to figure out the lighting. Um, and I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. I'm still a little bit sick, but I wanted to do this video because I have a box from last month that I never got around to filming the video, and I just came from the mailbox and I received my Boxycharm, and I haven't opened it. So let's see what's in here. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for $21 a month, and every 3 months you can get the Boxy Lux, which totals up to be $50, and you get 4 to 5 items in the box. And this month's theme, when when you first open up the box, it looks like this. And this month's theme is boxy and chill. And in the back of the card, it tells you all the items that you receive in the box. I'm going to take out the first thing I see, which is this Tarte palette. And excuse my face, I don't have no makeup on because I went out early this morning and I did my makeup about 6 o'clock in the morning. And when I arrived home, I was tired. I wanted to take a nap. And so I took off all my makeup and I only had left my eyebrows. And I didn't know I was going to be filming. And so, beautiful packaging. It looks like this. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. This does have one matte shade and 2, 4, 7 shimmers. These are the shades. That's very pretty. See if we could swatch some. Let's see if you could see them. This is what they look like. And this is what the shades look like. I don't know if you can see them. Let's try the matte. This is the matte shade right here. It's very pretty. I'm excited to play with it. Next thing I see, I'm gonna have to put on these glasses, is from Briogeo, and this is the reparative leave-in conditioning spray. Looks like that. And this is 2 fluid ounces. Smells okay. I want to try that. And the next thing we got is from Ofra. And this is in long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Maimi Fever. You can see like that. I like Ofra. I received another Ofra before, and I love the Ofra. It's like an orangey color. The camera doesn't help, but it's pretty. Next thing we got in the box is from $1 Billion Brows, and it's a brow pencil, and it has your spoolie on that side. And this is in the shade mm, it doesn't say, but let's try. I love these pencils. That works for me. I'm happy about that. This is the color right here. And last but not least, we got these two Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Excited about that. I have run out of masks. I use them as I get them, so I don't stock them up because I do use them when I get them. And that was this month's Boxycharm. I really like the palette, even though I wanted the pink one, but I like it. It's nice, and the packaging is nice too. So that is it for my Boxycharm. I also received my Ipsy. I'm gonna be doing filming the Ipsy. Sorry, I'm talking gibberish. I'm gonna be filming the Ipsy box also, and I'll be uploading that today also. Hopefully, if I could get this computer to work for me, because I have a video that I get ready with me that I recorded, and for some reason I haven't been able to upload it. But anyway, that was it for Boxycharm. If you like my channel and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below, ask me any questions, and if you want me to do any other types of videos, let me know. And yeah, that's it. So bye now.